Model, 66-plate Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI 140PS short wheelbase, Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 125,269. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 140PS EU6A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has slipped. The rear lenses were also taken for another vehicle. Nothing else is missing, repair the engine and you will have a bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,195 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.